Well, hello YouTube. It's French Flipper coming at you with the second in a three-part series of vintage pack openings. This time we have 1970 tops. Last time we opened a 75 mini. And once again, there is the altered assessment by PSA. Now this one is going to be more expensive than our last one, the 1975 Topps Mini. So we are hoping to get Thurman Munson rookie card or Nolan Ryan, other big stars. You got Hank Aaron, Willie Mays, amongst others. So let's get into this one. All right, there's the back. If you guys think there's any indicators that determines if this was tampered with, let me know in the comments. I am not an expert on that at all. All I can do is trust PSA on that one. Now, I did not see a star on the back when I sent it in, but it wasn't easy to make out who it was, so I could be wrong. All right, let's do this. Oh, we got a little pack was ripped right there, if you see that. I wonder if that means something. I'll peel it from this. Well, it's hard to get it up. Interesting. That could be a bad sign. I think it's supposed to just come up. I don't want to rip it. It could have been like glued right there. I don't know what else would be causing that. But maybe that's normal. All right, I think I got it. All right. Wow, Billy Williams on the back. I think he's a star player. Not too familiar with the guys from this era, other than the major Hall of Famers. But I believe he played for the Cubs. Yeah, I think that's actually a good card. All right, I'm just gonna leave that corner and pull the whole thing out. All right, there's part of the gum. It looks like it's probably stuck. Probably stuck on this front card. I'm gonna just go ahead and flip to the front here. Oh, wow. Okay. Not good. Look at that. Okay. Phil Gagliano on the front. That card is pretty much destroyed. I guess these were these like little posters or something. And I'm not sure who that is, but gum is getting everywhere. So let's move on to the cards. All right, so like the first 5 cards had the stains on the side, unfortunately. So, okay, it looks like the top is up here. So we got the, oh, no way. Are you kidding me? Is that Reggie Jackson? Oh, I don't know. No. I know his head was at the top like that, but okay, not him. Lou Krause. That card's messed up anyway, so it kind of would have been bittersweet had it been Reggie Jackson. All right. Again, this card's messed up too. Giants. Is Willie Mays on the Giants in 1970? No, I think he was on the Mets. Ken Henderson. So I think probably the first 5 cards are going to be stained like that. And then maybe we'll get some good mint ones in the back half of the pack. All right. Now we got the Mets, so that could be... Oh, well, Nolan Ryan would have been what you want, but we got Jerry Grote. All right. I have no idea who's on the Pilots. All right. Danny Walton. Hopefully this is the last stained card. Nope, it's on this one too. Angels. Jim Spencer. All right, come on. No stains. Still a little bit. Royals. Not sure who's on the Royals back then. Ed Kirkpatrick. All right, this is where we want the best. Still a stain. Maybe the whole pack. Cardinals, what do we got? Lou Brock. Don't recognize him. Phil Gagliano. All right. Oh, okay. Oh, boy. We got a Reggie Jackson sweat again. And this one is in much better shape. I think that top right corner stain is gone. Is that the same guy, dude? Oh, they doubled us. Oh, man. Lou Krause again. Ouch. Yeah. Last card we know is Billy Williams, which is the best card in the pack. And probably the best condition. Not sure what the wax did to it, but it's got that little bend, but I don't know if that can be fixed, I guess, if you just flatten it out over time. But that is pretty nice. And the wax did get on the back right there. Other than the bend and the wax stain, which both may be fixable, that is a nice card. Pretty well centered, a little off left to right. And there you have it, folks. That is the 1970 Topps. Some unfortunate condition issues there, but that was fun. So please like, comment, and subscribe, and join me next week for the 1962 Topps pack. All right. Bye-bye.